Everyone can comment on it. It doesn't have to be done by one person.
Is it ready?
Yeah. Oh, except the glare totally ruins everything. Look, the glare gets in the way of the stuff.
What happened?
Nothing, it's just the glare. Sunlight outside.
Oh yeah, I see it. Why don't you close the blinds?
You should, but it usually doesn't do any good. Dude, wow.
Well, it's a little bit better.
Come on, we need more funny commentary in here.
Okay. Wolf will beat Fox any day. And Cupid is about to eat a fox for lunch. What do you guys say about that, Wolf? Nothing?
Satay, R1ku.
Oh, look, the wolf is Japanese.
It's because I think new guy doesn't like to talk during his matches.
Come on over here.
That always happens to me. Seriously.
Giggity 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 goo. So, where's watching this?
Alright. Still gotta stop.
I don't know what you guys want to say, but Cupid is doing pretty good.
Dude, you don't have to be so close, it'll hear you.
I don't care. I like to be close.
Resist making sexual jokes.
You want to say something? I know you do, Ed. Go ahead, Ed.
My family's listening.
I see. Didn't hold it for later. And all who is watching, Cupid is whooping some butt.
That's only because I suicided.
I gift you.
And the wolf is showing his fangs. And did you guys, by the way, did you guys know that that wolf was really skinny in Star Fox 64? He was really skinny. He's dead.